Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera zoom in. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just open up settings app here and then scroll it down and then tap on app management and then tap on app update. So guys, as you can see, no update available here. If any update available here, then up to date this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the second one. For that, open up Google Play Store here and search for Snapchat. Yep, here it is. So guys, if any update available here, then up to date this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just open Snapchat here and then tap on profile icon here and then tap on settings icon here and then scroll it down. Here you can see lenses, so tap here and tap on clear local lens data and then tap on clear and then clear all lens data and then tap on clear. So guys, after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.